Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to go ahead and connect your Oraimo Watch 6 to your phone, and I'm also going to show you how to go ahead and connect it, or how you can actually monitor if it's connected to your Google Fit. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on the watch face. Tap on this watch face icon on the Oraimo Health app. Then what you want to do is to click on add device and click on bind by QR code, which is the first option right here. Bind by QR code. Click on it. Now it's going to show you this on your watch face. You need to click on English. Then once you click on English, it's going to show you the QR code. Then you have to scan it. I'm going to turn off this. Then you have to scan your watch face. Alright, so as you can see, it's connecting. Right now, as you can see, it says connecting. As you can see, bind successfully. As you can see, bind successfully. Now it says you can connect with Bluetooth if you want. You can click pair. Then that's all. Now, once you've connected your watch, in order for you to go ahead and make use of the Google Fit, make sure you go ahead and install the Google Fit, which is right here. As you can see, I have it installed. So you click on open. Then once you click on open, as you can see, mine is connected, and I was able to count few steps using the Google Fit, which is connected to my Oraimo watch. So once your watch is connected to the Oraimo Health app, it's automatically going to start counting your steps or start monitoring your health, and it automatically connects all your health, fitness, steps, calories, every single thing about the watch does, or all the features the watch can actually do. It connects everything directly to your Google Fit. Alright, so you don't have to connect anything. All you just have to do is to make sure you have the Google Fit installed, and just go ahead and test it. You can actually, once you've connected your watch, you can connect, just wait on your hand and go ahead and walk around with the watch to see if you can actually see steps counting. If the steps are already counting right here at the top, you can see right here it's counting. Right, my one is counting right now. This is the steps. So what you do is, once you connect that, then you come to your Google Fit, and your Google Fit, you just need to verify that the steps is also counting as well. As you can see right here, mine is showing 295 steps counting on my Google Fit, which shows it's connected and it's working properly. Like I said, you don't have to connect anything. It's connected automatically. All right, connected automatically. No matter the smartwatch you're actually using, no matter the smartwatch connects to your Android phone, your Google Fit is going to pick all the necessary features on that particular smartwatch you connected to it. So just like this Oraimo Watch 6. So now what you just have to do is to go ahead and start using your watch, and even you can actually do some settings on your Google Fit by coming to this icon, this profile icon here, and you can actually set steps, number of steps you want to take every single day. You can set it here and set a goal, and this is going to monitor your step. Now the step goal here is different from the Oraimo Health goals that you actually set. So it's different because there are two different applications basically. So you can set it right here, set your ads points and all, and it's going to monitor, or it will get all the readings on your Oraimo smartwatch 6. It will get all the readings on your Oraimo smartwatch 6 and input everything into the Google Fit. Yes, so that's it guys, concerning how to go ahead and connect your watch. As you can see, we've been able to connect the watch. If you want to go ahead and change or customize your watch face for your watch 6, you just come back to this Oraimo Health, then click on this watch face icon there, then click on your watch. Then once you click on your watch, then go to dial center. Then you can see so many dial centers. You can actually click on it and click on set, and it's going to start downloading. As you can see, it's currently downloading on the watch 6. So you can see, just takes a few minutes and boom, we have a new watch face on our watch 6. So that's it guys, concerning how to go ahead and connect to watch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.